Word Project 5 talks about how to use a template to create a resume. And the first thing I'm going to do is I have Word open in a blank document, but I'm actually not going to use that blank document. I'm going to go to File and New and go to Templates, and actually under Resume, it'll bring up a list of resume. I'm going to use the timeless design. That's what the book uses, and hit Create, and it's going to actually create this blank doc, or this, not blank document, this template document that allows us to plug in our information. Right off the bat, I'm going to save this document. I'm going to save it in my folder and call it Resume. Okay. Now, the trick for this project is to plug in the respective stuff and format it in the way the book has. The first item they want us to do is, instead of my name here, I'm actually going to use the person's name that they used for the project. If you wish to use your name, that's fine, but they used Jordan Taylor Green. Must be our fictitious person for this textbook. And then up here in these placeholders, I'm going to put in the address they put, 1931 Elm Street, and it's just as simple as clicking in the area and typing in what they have. Beachcombe, Florida 33115. I'm not sure if that's even a real place. It probably is. I know that's not a real phone number because 583, because it has 555, which is good. 72, and then they put after this in parentheses cell to tell people that. I'm not going to use the website, so I'm going to actually delete that area. Okay, and I'll put email in, and we'll clean it up in a second. jgreen@earth.com. I'm click after here and hit delete to, how do we get rid of this area here? There we go. Just click in that blank area and hit delete, and that will set up the top part of our resume. Now they have us do a couple other things. They have us change this font size to be 18, make it a little bigger. And let's see, we did the placeholder text, which is fine. That looks good for now. I'm a person that likes to save stuff very often, just in case something bad happens. The next thing I have us do is, when you click inside of the resume, it's actually a table. And if you go up under Design, under actually Layout and Table, hit View Grid Lines, it'll actually show you the grid lines of the table, which is kind of interesting. I'm actually going to zoom out a little bit because I'm zoomed in a little closer than I wish to be at this point. But you see, as you go down the resume, there's already an semblance of what the resume will look like. And the trick now will be to place the necessary items inside of the resume shell. And we'll continue that with later projects or tutorials.